Welcome to this side of the radio. My name is Shane, and today is Friday, January the 28th, and I am headed off to Winter Field Day. Thank you, Ham Radio 2.0, for the invitation to come out and join you guys. Looking forward to it. But first, we have to stop at Buc-ee's. Because what road trip doesn't start with Buc-ee's? So you guys hang tight, and we will see you on the road for Winter Field Day. Stick around. All right, we made it to the ranch for Winter Field Day, or the deer leash, I should say. And just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of what we were working with here. It's been a lot of fun. The bands have been fantastic. It's been a lot, like I said, a lot of fun. I like working the radio, and it's been a pile up pretty much all day. All right, so this is the radio hut.
Echo Bravo.
You got this guy you might know.
Okay, I copied one hotel. What was your section?
20 meters over here.
QSL, Kilo India Zero Echo Bravo. I copied one hotel Kentucky. Please copy well 5 Oscar November Tango X-ray.
This station will be running 15 a little bit later.
Roger.
And then we've got 10 meters running over here.
Kilo November 5 Tango Radio.
This hut. Then all of these radios are running off of the hex beam, the Buddy Hex. A great antenna, by the way. I love it. All right, Frank's got his antenna up for doing satellites. We did an AO91 pass last night that was really cool. Let me go over to my station. And we have Mike over here, who's running his 7300 on 40 meters. And then we've got the computers networked together so that we can all log at the same time. So, really cool setup. Love it out here. The weather's been fantastic.
CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day, CQ Field Day. Kilo 5 Alpha, Victor X-ray. Field Day.
Kilo November 5 Tango Romeo. Okay, I got 1 Alpha. What was the section? Okay, 1 Hotel. What's the section?
Alpha Romeo.
Okay, got you. 1 Hotel Alpha Romeo. We are 5 Oscar November Tango X-ray, North Texas.
3 QRZ Field Day, Kilo November 5 Tango Romeo.
Kilo Golf 2 Golf Echo Juliet.
Was it Kilo Golf 2 Golf Echo Juliet?
Kilo Delta 2 Golf Echo Juliet 82.
Got it. Kilo Delta 2 Golf Echo Juliet. Copy 5 Oscar November Tango X-ray.
Copy, Captain. Please copy 1 Hotel WNY Western New York. QSL.
Roger. 1 Hotel Western New York. Thank you. 73 QRZ Field Day. Victor Echo 3 again.
Victor Echo 3 Delta India Zulu.
Victor Echo 3 Delta India Zulu. We are 5 Oscar November Tango X-ray.
Copy that. 5 Oscar November Tango X-ray. I am 1 Hotel Oscar November Sierra. Can I get your call sign again, please?
Yeah, Roger. It's Kilo November 5 Tango Romeo.
Copy that. Kilo November 5 Tango Romeo. 73.
Thank you. 73 QRZ Field Day, Kilo November 5 Tango Romeo.
0
Kilo November 5 Tango Radio.
Kilo November 5 Tango Radio. Please copy 1 Hotel Mike November.
I copy your 1 Hotel Mike November. Please copy 5 Oscar November Tango X-ray.
Copy the 5 Oscar November Tango X-ray. Have fun.
Roger. 73.
QRZ, this is Kilo 7 Sierra Hotel.
Kilo November 5 Tango Radio.
The one ending in radio. The one ending in radio. Come again.
Kilo November 5 Tango Radio. Kilo November 5 Tango Radio. Kilo November 5 Tango Romeo. Roger. I got 1 Oscar Western Washington. Please copy 5 Oscar November Tango X-ray.
QRZ, Kilo November 5, Tango Romeo, field day. Seeky field day, Seeky field day, Kilo November 5, Tango Romeo, Seeky field day.
Kilo Fox 5, Zulu Papa Lima.
Kilo Fox 5, Zulu Papa Lima, copy 5 Oscar, November Tango X-ray.
Okay, roger that. Please copy 1 Hotel, Arkansas, Alpha Romeo.
Roger, 1 Hotel, Alpha Romeo, thanks, 73. QRZ field day, Kilo November 5, Tango Romeo.
Kilo 0, Oscar, Kilo Yankee.
Kilo 0, Oscar, Kilo Yankee, copy 5 Oscar, November Tango X-ray.
Hotel, copy 1 Hotel, Charlie Oscar, Colorado.
Roger, 1 Hotel, Colorado, thanks, 73. QRZ field day, Kilo November 5, Tango Romeo.
Delta 8, Lima Hotel Radio.
Kilo Delta 8, Lima Hotel Radio, copy 5 Oscar, November Tango Radio. No, excuse me, November Tango X-ray.
Copy the 5 Oscar, November Tango X-ray. Is that correct?
Roger, roger.
Alrighty.
I did. That's true. I did.
India, Oscar Hotel.
Copy 3 India Oscar Hotel, thanks, 73.
QSL on the Western Washington and copy 5 Oscar, North Texas. Over. 73, good luck to you. QRZ, Winter Field Day.
America.
Is there a station ending America? Is that Victor Echo 7, West America, QSL?
QSL.
Okay, thank you. VE7WA, we are 5 Oscar and North Texas. Over. All right, 1 Hotel for Arizona. I appreciate it. 73, good luck to you. Kilo November 5, Tango Radio, QRZ. Let's take the Juliet Sierra station, please. Not hearing you. Was there an Alpha station?
Alpha 7, Juliet.
Alpha 7, Juliet, I believe it was. Big signal. Copy 5, Oscar, North Texas.
QSL, copy 1 Hotel, Utah.
Thank you for the 1 Hotel, Utah. 73, and good luck to you. Kilo November 5, Texas Radio, QRZ.
So for me, another winter field day has come and gone. Time to pack up my stuff and head back. I've got to go and do the old work thing. But I've had a fantastic time here. Thanks to Jason for inviting me out. And man, get out and do one of these. If you have the opportunity, get out and play radio with your buddies. You never know what's going to happen. And I may put a kind of a teaser here at the end to kind of let you know what happened when we weren't working the radio. Anyway, 73 to everybody. Thanks for checking out the video. Thanks for hanging out. And we'll see you on the next one. Take care.
Just want to see something blow up. So do the viewers.